How to convert a Word document into JPEG or images. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can convert an MS Word document into its subsequent images. So each page within your MS Word document will be converted into an JPG image. So let me show you how to do this. So for that, the first thing that you're going to need to do is open any web browser of your choice, and then within the web browser or the search engine you will need to type in doc to JPEG. Now once you will type in doc to JPEG, you will see this website that says Convertio, and it says doc word to JPEG converter. So you can simply go to convertio.co, and then from here you make sure that it is selected doc and this is selected as JPEG. Then click onto this choose files option, and then from here choose your document. So for example, I will select this document, and then from here I will click onto this red convert button. It says please wait, so let us wait for the file to get uploaded and in order to get converted. So now you can see that the process has started and it is converting the file, and once the file will get converted you will see this blue download button. So click onto this download button, and you can see that a file is getting downloaded. So it is a zip file as it contains multiple instances of the pages of the document. So now if we'll open this zip file, you can go to my files and open these subsequent images. So if I'll open this, you can see that the document has now been successfully converted into images. So that's how easily you can convert a document into JPEG. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.